In this video I'm going to show you how to deactivate Instagram account. Now, if you don't want to delete your Instagram account, which immediately and permanently deletes everything, and you just want to deactivate it and take a break from it, here's what you need to do. You need to go to your Instagram account, click on your profile, click on the hamburger menu, go to Settings and Privacy. From here, click on Account Center and then scroll down and click on Personal Details. From here, click on Account Ownership and Control. Tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Select the account you want to do it for. And then click on Deactivate Account, click Continue, and then follow on-screen instructions. Now, with the other options, you can delete the account, but as I mentioned, it will permanently delete everything. And if you just deactivate it, you can reactivate it through Account Center or just logging back in. And that's it. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment that this video helped you out. If it didn't, let me know what was the problem and I will do my best to help you.